Welcome, fellow diabetics. Today, let's talk about the vegetables that may not be the best choice for managing your blood sugar levels. Remember, everyone's body reacts differently, but it's good to be aware of these potential culprits. First on our list is potatoes. While they are a beloved vegetable, they can cause a spike in blood sugar due to their high carbohydrate content. Opt for sweet potatoes or cauliflower as a lower carb alternative. Corn is another vegetable to watch out for. It has a high glycemic index, meaning it can lead to rapid blood sugar spikes. Consider swapping it out for green beans or broccoli. Beets, despite their vibrant color and earthy flavor, are also high in natural sugars. If you enjoy that taste, try incorporating them in smaller portions and balance them with other low-carb veggies. Last but not least, peas can be deceivingly high in carbohydrates. Keep an eye on your portion sizes when including peas in your meals, or explore options like spinach or kale for a lower carb alternative. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. By being mindful of your vegetable choices, you can better manage your blood sugar levels and overall health. Stay informed, stay healthy, and happy eating.